Wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. When you guys hear me say that, I say that not just for y'all, but for myself too. And as, of course, I'm in this car, but right now I'm actually waiting. I'm kind of stuck in traffic and I'm going away. But that's okay. I want you guys to understand something. The times in life when change and breakthroughs are coming are also the times when some challenges show up. Because in order for you to understand and in order for you to go through and break out from one level to the next, challenge has to present itself so we understand what we need to get to grow. For example, sometimes in situations, people have to, there's a lot of businesses that, let's put it this way, there's a lot of businesses that got started because somebody got terminated from a position. They didn't want to leave because what other source of income is there? And sometimes people's backs are against the wall and they do what they have to do to go forward. I have a very good friend, I would consider him family. He's part of my church family back home, that was pursuing other careers and other fields, but really wanted to start his own venture in cooking and in catering and things of that nature. That was 2 years ago. Because he has a passion for it and it doesn't feel like work, his business is now taken off. He's now catering for high society. I wouldn't say high society. He's catering for not just onesie-twosies, but business places and different things. He's now catering for people that can truly, and he's getting the kind of exposure you would need to get, even on I think on a television show at some point. That was 2 years ago. But it had been born out of frustration with a company, and he ended up either leaving, I think, or he quit, or they were downsizing. I'm not sure exactly what happened with the job that he was working before. At the end of the day, the job lost him, because now that particular company is going places, all because people would consider losing a job adversity. Sometimes it's a blessing in disguise. In his case, it was an absolute blessing in disguise, and now he has a thriving business that is going places. The end, it's only the beginning for that business, and I'm very, very proud of him. And I'm proud of his family, how his family supports him, and how the church family supports him, and things of that nature. At the end of the day, what it just tells us is that living your dream is not something that you should even think about. It's something that you should continually to pursue. And even if it means it may be born out of adversity, it may have been born out of a situation that you didn't necessarily like, I wouldn't call it adversity. I would look at it as, if the job lost you, then it's an opportunity for you to change and pursue the dreams and visions you really want, versus the job that you're settling for. Alright guys, take care. I just want to share that with you. And of course, if you are looking to make that leap yourself and you're not sure where to start, you can download, this is the last week guys, download the free Dream Career Guide at mentorshelley.com/DCG, which is the Dream Career Guide, and use it to your advantage, so that when an opportunity for change presents itself, you can capitalize on it. Alright guys, take care. And of course, if you have show suggestions or you have questions in regards to careers, jobs, interviews, things of that nature, definitely leave a comment below, or you can go to mentorshelley.com/contact, or you can leave me a voicemail or an email message, and I am more than happy to return the voicemail or email within 24 hours. All right, guys, take care. This is Mentor Shelley wanting you to truly live your dreams, even if it means it was born out of adversity. Take care, guys. Have a good one. Bye.